Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert your text into kebab styles in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To start, you can click apps, then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find this one, kebab letters. Transform text into kebab style letters. Kebab Letters is a simple app that turns text into kebab style letters, perfect for adding a unique touch to your text. Click Use in New Design. And here we go. You can add text or type the text you want to transform into kebab style letters. For example, a 2 up to 6 character work best. 10 characters is the maximum. Then generate. Please wait, this may take a few seconds. So here we go. As you can see, this is messed up because of too much character. So if you want to try again, just type the text like this to generate. Again, it's not perfect, so you can try again and try again. I write text it, but the result just E, and I don't know what is this. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.